This injection can cost more than your monthly salary, and it is not even a normal medicine. It is called a biologic. And the difference between this and your regular tablet is the difference between a knife and a sniper. Most medicines you take are chemicals. They are made in labs, simple in structure, and they act broadly. A painkiller reduces inflammation everywhere. But biologics are different. They are grown inside living cells. And instead of hitting everything, they target one exact molecule. Your immune system works using signals, proteins talking to proteins. Biologics interrupt those signals. In diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, your body releases molecules like TNF-alpha that drive inflammation. A biologic drug blocks that exact molecule. It is like cutting the wire instead of shutting down the whole system. That precision is powerful, but it also means you are directly modifying your immune system. We use biologics in cancer, autoimmune diseases, and severe skin conditions when normal drugs are not enough. Now here is where it gets interesting. Aging is not just time passing. It is driven by chronic, low-grade inflammation happening inside your body. Biologics can suppress some of these inflammatory pathways. So we are not just treating disease anymore. We are starting to interfere with the biology that drives aging. But let's be clear, there is no biologic that reverses aging. What these drugs do is control the processes that accelerate it. And that comes at a cost. These drugs can suppress your immune system, increase your risk of infections, and they are extremely expensive, which leads to an uncomfortable truth. The people who need these drugs the most often cannot afford them, and the people who can afford them might start using them for something else entirely. Not survival, but optimization. Now, the question I have for you is, would you take a drug that slows aging if it suppresses your immune system?